What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video. So I've just entered a trade on the ES. I actually wanted to get on here and show you the analysis before I entered the trade, but it all happened so quickly. So let's jump into the charts. I'll show you why I took the trade, and hopefully we can get down to our TP and get a winner. Let's go. Okay, guys, so just jumping onto the charts, we've actually just got down quite a long way into our TP already. When I was doing the intro, we were actually out of profit up here. We just had a sudden drop down. Now, basically, very simple trade here, okay? We've been in a bit of an upward trend for a little while. We've then had this pause of price, okay? Then we had a second candle which respected the candle's high, creating this this bullish indecision candle. Okay, price is then pushed down, basically opened and immediately pushed down, breaking out the low. And I'm actually going to close this out for $262.5 there. We may get to our final TP of 10 pips, but to be honest, with no top wick and the fact that we're so close, I'm just going to take that right there. Super quick video, but basically, as we always do, we're looking for this kind of setup. Okay, I really like the fact that this candle respected the high, immediately broke out this low, and then had this bearish indecision. This is a 15-minute chart. We then had the new candle which opened up and immediately broke out the low, which actually we got in immediately on the break there, which is great. And I was going for 10 pips, which I think basically we pretty well got. We got 9 pips in the end. We're probably going to get tagged out there, but I also looked to the left here. We've got this little minor resistance, which could potentially give us a pullback. And why, for one tick, why not take it, right? So very simple stuff. How I got my stop loss was I went down. If I'm taking this trade on the 15-minute, I go to the 3-minute to find my stop loss, and that is going to be above the 3-minute candle which did the breaking of this one here. So I had my stop loss above there for 8 pips, targeting 10, and we got 9 in the end. And I'm very happy with that. A super quick trade, and almost didn't even catch any of it to film, but very cool. And that's another trade in the books for this challenge. So basically, I'm going to leave the video here. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. There's going to be lots going on. I can see, look, now we're getting a bit of rejection. I'm glad I took this. At this point, normally I would probably put my stop loss at break even anyway. But why not take the profit, eh? So yeah, anyway, I'm going to leave this video here. Super quick, super short. But yeah, hope you guys are having a great trading day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.